about to hit the horn.
Hello! Southern ballast hopper.
Okay.
No.
I believe it.
This is probably end up on YouTube. So yeah, hello world and all that have it. I'm KS Web Productions, and this is J-Dog Gamer. This is Railfaning. We're on the sidetrack.
Yeah. Let's hope they go by enough to where we can get over.
Yeah.
That's a neat design.
Yep.
The graffiti on the side.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep. Oh, so you can open that window, but I can't. I can never get it to open.
Well, I did have to put a little bit of oomph into it, so.
Yeah. Hang on, can you open up the glove box?
Wow.
I have the thing in there. It helps with, no. There you go. Yeah, thank you. And your hand will now be cemented on YouTube. If I can, hang on.
I think you made it a little bit too, hey.
Yeah.
That's a lot of freaking tankers.
Yeah. That's why we hope that we never have a crash with tankers in this town. Otherwise, we'd be nuked off the map. Actually, I don't know what they're carrying. They don't have any plaque. Their plaques are empty. Beer, possibly? Or... oh, I know what it is. It's the sewage train cars. And hey, that's a pretty cool BNSF flat car. Wait, no, gone. It was the black one.
Yeah, I thought.
Yeah. That was... those tankers were full of sewage, no doubt, from New York City.
Man, they got... this is a double train, or 4 train.
Yeah.
They got 2 in the middle.
Yep. We've caused a traffic jam the size of a spring city we'll never see again. Well, until another little train like this comes. Yeah, have no idea what NS train this is, don't have a scanner, but, yeah. This one just snuck up on us. This video might end up being muted, I don't know. Probably not. It's already kind of crappy and shaky camera as it is, so might as well just leave it with the audio, so yeah. Oh hey look, some hoppers. Shiny. I don't want that tanker to blow up. Oh wait, no, that's diesel.
Still, diesel's very flammable.
Yeah. 1824. What hazardous material does that carry? I don't know either. What does that boxcar say? NS Ponum? Ponums. Big blue CSX. That's cool.
That's a neat design right there.
Yeah.
Those are both neat designs.
Yeah. Veg.
I've got cars on it. It's a truck.
Yep, I see.
Brand new trucks.
Yep. Wonder where they're from.
Ain't no telling. They ship them things all around the place.
Yeah. Empties go up, loads come down for some reason on this line. Mainly because I believe the, I think the auto factory thing is up north.
Yeah, those have come from up north somewhere.
Yeah.
The graffitis on them are really bubbly. Most of the graffitis that are bubbly come from up north.
Yeah. Oh, no, chicken on it. That one had a chicken on it, the BNSF one.
Yeah.
All right, well, is it the curse of? I thought I saw them about to go down again.
I think they stopped him just about did.
It would have been the curse of the Hummer all over again. All right, so okay, so this was never caught on recording. However, a brother did witness it, and that one of the metal Camaros got was.
No, it was a Hummer.
Oh, Hummer. Never.
It was a Hummer. It got stuck on the rails, or not stuck, but they had brought a work truck up, so it activated the rails or the gates, and the gate come down, hit the Hummer, and the gates have it set up to where if it detects anything or hits anything after a certain point, then it will go back up, but then it activates it again. So this Hummer goes down, hits the Hummer, comes back up, gets halfway back up, goes back down, hits the top of the Hummer again. Hummer's trying to back up at this point, goes back down, hits the hood of the Hummer, goes back up, comes back down, and hits the grill. So it literally just keep beating this Hummer half to death.
This is what you get. So yeah.
And of course there was cars in front of him and cars behind him, so he couldn't immediately go anywhere. But this thing just kept beating the crap out of the Hummer. But Hummers are tough as nails too. It didn't make any dents or anything.
Yeah.
But it just kept hitting the crap out of this Hummer.
Yeah. Well, if another train comes, we'll film it if we're still here. We're on the road. So yeah. So yeah. Y'all go subscribe to J-Dog. What's your channel name again?
It's J-Dog Gamer.
Alright. Yeah, go subscribe to J-Dog Gamer, where he does gaming videos, and you can find me on some of my Minecraft live streams as well. So yeah. If we catch the other train coming north, we'll film it, because this train was moving awful slow and on the siding. So, you know, another train's probably going to be coming up north on the C&O and TP. Well, out. All right, folks, we're back live. Now, we're not going to be facing you all towards this train.
Coming from that way.
Oh, well, I guess we are.
Are they going to hit the horn? That was flying.
Yep. It's a stack train. No wonder. We rednecks like doing stuff like this to cruise or something. But we like to be friendly down here in the South in Tennessee. So yeah.
I had to do it at least once.
Yeah. I'm gonna do that at least once with my truck's train horn. There's a lot of green in this train, you know?
Yeah. Looks like a Christmas train. It's green, white, and orange.
Yep. Oh, there's gray. There's gray!
Finally.
Nurse. Yeah, this is what the manifest freight was put into the hole for. Was so that this hot shot could pass.
Yeah. Well, that one's going so slow.
Yeah. These probably are probably coming fresh out of Cincinnati or something. Yeah, you really do not see these cars with graffiti on them. They're just usually wore out looking, you know? And just utterly filthy. I mean, there's a couple that have it on them. But, you know, you really don't find a lot of big graffiti on it.
Yeah.
Mainly because today's guys do not sit still often.
But it's so neat to see the graffiti too. Like, I know it's vandalism, but like,
yeah,
it's art.
Yeah, it's cool to see it on revenue service.
Hey, there's some ups trucks.
Yeah, ups we go. up trucks are going down. So does that mean the down trucks are going up? Alright, I'll stop with that. A lot of spine cars.
A lot of freaking UPS trucks.
Yep. Well, if anything else comes, well, we'll be watching. How I knew this one, I knew this to get this one out was because I saw the gate down. Yeah, well, out.
Did you forget to turn a valve or something, Jeremy?
I don't know. I'll check it when I get down here someday, Mark.
In the meantime, nobody can shit in the move.
Shut up about that.
Hey, that box car though.
Yeah. That's where
They stop and let you crawl in it.
Yeah,
You can stop up there and ask the conductor if he's one of them Orleans.
There's two different or four different cars. So which one do you want to ask?
4 different locomotives.
Yeah, there's two at the front and there's two in the middle,
You
right
ask
here.
The conductor should have asked the engineer.
That one come through, or has it been sitting here?
It's been set. I mean, it come in. That's the first one to come in.
These tankers right here, they're all full of sewage from
It come in real
I
slow.
seen one this morning that had two in the middle.
Yeah. They've been doing that as a way to cut crews. Yeah, all these tankers right here, all the tankers that we just passed, they're full of sewage from New York because they had no placards and there's the cars down at